I show you how to convert any video file to MP4. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. All you need to do, just open your browser and save VLC media player. And download this player on your PC, it's free. After you install VLC media player like me, you will see this window. Go here on media and you will see here convert, click on it. And choose here file like me, go here on this plus and find your video. Click on it and go open. After that, go here convert and save. Make sure convert is selected. When you click profile, choose here like me and you will see video H, MP4, click on it. When you do that like me, click on this configuration and go here on audio codec and keep original audio track and go here save. Before pressing start, go here look, choose here like me desktop and new name of your video and go here OK. After that, go here start. And you will see this like me, wait for it. After finishing this process, you will see your video. And now it's on MP4. Before we have MKV file. And that's it all guys for this video. How to convert any video to MP4 fast and easy. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video.